Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me CANON Pixma MegaTank G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform the nozzle check on this device. Firstly, you should open maintenance on your device. To do that, you should scroll down, find maintenance here, and it's here. Click nozzle check. Do you wanna print the nozzle check pattern? Click yes. It asks me for loading the A4 paper, but I have it. Okay, so maybe we just need to click OK. Okay. And cool, as you can see in my case, all patterns looks really cool. Looks really cool. As you can see, there is no elements that showed not perfect. Okay, so which patterns does your printer pattern most closely resemble? Please select on the next screen. Click next, and I have all okay, so I don't need to select something. And if you have troubles with your lines, so you just should to select all A or A and B2, and afterwards it will try to resolve problem. In my case, I don't need to do this thing, so that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye, see you.